And let's just say it was between Keke and Nina. You think so Keke?
Me that tear her down. Me that forget some your student, Berry.
Box cover DuttyBerry here, and as promised, I am now kicking off the full excitement review of Balla Season 3. I miss out on Season 1, Season 2, but I say Season 3, it cannot miss me because honestly, like, I've just been hearing the reaction of the people on the streets, and they must say, Berry, I see a review every other show. You need to go and review Balla. So I took the time, watch out the whole season them one time, you know, like it's a whole Netflix series I go on, and I followed up with the characters them. I'm gonna say right now, it is go time. And so I'm gonna kickstart this with episode 1 of season 3. Episode 1 of season 3 of Balla. Studio space provided by The Cove Restaurants and Bar, located at 3 Winchester Road. All right, so before I kickstart the review, I cannot do this alone. I don't like talking, well, I actually do like talking by myself. But today, you know, for fully get done at the show, I'm going to invite a special cast member from Balla. Her name is Christina Harris. But you don't call her that one, you see her up on the road. You refer to her as Keke. Keke, come here. Hey, Keke, walk on. Jesus, Peel. Oh, God. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're doing good?
Great.
You ready for jump down into the show?
Ready.
All right, okay. So first of all, how is life? Like, how the people that treat you going out on the road now, season 3? What the reaction will you get from the public?
Awesome. Whole heap of excitement, but life is great. My fans love me, and I love everybody. Like,
them did that run it down on the road though, and I ask you, yo, when the season now? Come on, when the season?
And make sure so we get season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't stop when it come out. I'm always yeah, man. Next year December.
And then see it here now.
See it here.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with it now. But the first thing I want to come mention before we even jump down and nothing. What the box foot happened on episode 1 on the live stream? What the hell happened? I was there in my yard, sit down, fully I watch when all of a sudden I only see music come in and I'm like, Jesus, Pim. I was like, no, this can't be it. Were you seeing that live too?
Yeah. I think it was a hiccup with
copyright.
YouTube.
Dirty YouTube. But no, them stay, man. I see the thing, man. I was like,
but
wow.
we uploaded the other.
Yeah. All right, so we'll come back from the season now, the end of season 2. The new season now, it started off where I know interrogation. Because the culprit them over here, so Keke and her friend them were supposed to go to school, gonna end up in a one whole entire crime stop investigation. Okay? So why you keep friend with Tessie? That girl on her face, I can't tell, so no up to something. She would have given away.
No, she not militant.
She not militant, man, but you're a friend.
But that's why I have to protect her, because anybody allow her to talk, what are we going to jail? For nothing we not do.
Whose is it? Whose blood is it? Do you have anything you want to tell us now?
We were just trying to help that. It's my blouse. I go her house and put it with our dirty clothes. And mine.
Alright then, we're gonna release the rest of you and keep Kira for more questioning.
Is danger like that in real life? Is she? Oh, God have mercy.
She's soft.
See them, man. That's why you need a friend like that way.
Yeah.
But one of my favorite parts of the scene was when Barbara character Faye and your sister from down at Riverton, Kerry, jump in now and go on with themselves.
Yeah.
No, if we not really have it like that, we will not find the suit them. We will not find the suit because when Faye come in and carry me, I said, no, man, we don't have outfit for this.
Yeah. Because we have sponsors, Sophia's and...
Oh, yeah.
And wigs by Shelly and
Koran,
and Chick and Chen.
Yeah. And in that scene, though, one of the things that we actually like, we got to see new characters.
Yeah.
So, me not really familiar with the name. We know Shelly and Koran, and she is... she's our lawyer.
Stephen Auntie.
She just rich.
Yeah.
She just rich and have money and all of them something come in. And me I say, all right then, big woman dolly type of settings. And then the inspector who was on the case now, once again, I know me don't know the name them. People, want to see how I start off like this from the first episode. By episode 4, I am going to know everyone's name on the cast. You see, if me not catch it, I am personally going to invite
Keke.
Keke right here, so, for box me on my face on camera.
Detective Lawrence.
All right, Pinky swear.
Pinky swear.
No, I like how you excited for box me on my
Of
face.
course.
You know? Yes, I'm going to mention this replacement character because one thing Balla is going to do, you know, Balla, I'm just going to do a little swift. I say, Balla, production people, you see, because I know, mess with the little switcheroo them, you know. But you see, any day, name day, you switch out Keke, you switch out Miss Buckley, I switch out Nina, that is it. You can't do look one like a two like a character, you know, but you see, Keke, so don't even. All if you're not gonna get a CGI, get some chat GPT for feeling fear. Somebody, one of our sister them or our cousin them a favor, but we're not, yeah, you twin them, we not do that. Before, so them get somebody put on makeup and see if them can recreate, but no. So all of a sudden, me I look now and me I like, wait, is a different brand that is coming?
It's in here, you there hide.
I'm in a mood right now, man.
So, how me do you, sir? I just come check if you're alright.
We normally hear about these things before or when in the show up on set and stuff.
Sometimes we normally hear before. If it's a hurricane like it's a,
Yeah.
it has to be done, not, you know, and everybody will hear. But when we reach on set, we hear before we start shooting.
Yeah.
and get it.
I pick up in an interview, I'm find out say the original character is because you know she had a
Yeah.
child and stuff and so she
Yeah.
have other commitments and stuff. So only there for do I
have to do
understand. Yeah. And actually I'm liking her. I'm actually liking the Brandy Missy she go on now.
Both of them play the role.
Yeah. One I think that I realized when Brandy was there with her brother Brandon, your little thing up on the side, I realized something right there saw.
Barry, you have to see that.
Something no, me I look at me I like, I saw not going to school brawling. You could even use it. You know a girl like you know the little trick them. Come on, you know the little something want for hide.
No, me don't know.
You know,
I don't know if it for you.
you never had a hickey in your life yet?
No.
Not no time when you go to school and them something like that?
School?
Oh, you mean you oh yeah, the comb and the ice and the brush and
You know, bring it up more.
Yeah,
though,
man.
and
Oh.
then, and then take a little time and fade away.
and when you get grown, you know, say you just stop like makeup on it and stuff.
Well, just slow it.
Well, you just said people them say me I go out with
Sure,
excitement.
yeah.
Okay,
Me not hide
okay.
again.
So I never had a Keke character put it there so. Yeah, cause Keke I move mean with Brandon. Man, I like Keke move mean with Brandon.
You don't understand.
I feel like Brandon I get certain ratings like some
Balla
ex
gets-
used to get ratings.
No, I remember Balla my first, you know.
Oh, so the art.
And I sorry for him.
We're so going at that, you know, we're so going at that. So one of the sad points of the episode, like personally for me, was just realizing say we might not say more of Mama B. Mama B passing.
Yeah, Mama B died.
Jesus P man, like honestly, that the character.
Yeah.
I loved Saloni. I know after that it was Rosalie that did fill in for the role and stuff, but I just did love the character.
Yeah.
It just did feel essential. You know what I'm looking with it? Come here, say the one in our school picnic and they like you have somebody where center everybody and humble everybody.
Yeah. I feed we with porridge.
Nice.
Personally, you have somebody who love porridge? Porridge?
Not necessarily.
But what the one porridge where you can stomach?
Peanut porridge.
Oh, I like peanut porridge. Give me the American porridge. I like the porridge look like it have acne. What's it to the American? But yeah, the Mama B, but one of the things that you can't talk to Balla, like, once again, we're looking at the camera right there, so why they have, what's his actual name? Zavan. Why they have Zavan a ball through the whole season?
Listen.
Respect for the thugs, man. Jesus P, man. They have him a ball, me I like, no, man.
Everything just a tumble on him one time.
Me I like this, the poor guy, him can't catch a little breath of fresh air. I saw him I get the little teacher crutches, him I enjoy life, them just bring him down. I saw the boy get a little, I don't say, yeah, man, box him with little stress.
Yeah.
Me I like them,
I call him the Keke bad.
The retribution.
I beat him.
Maybe you a guy, maybe a Keke, I got better night time. I put on some prayers, you know. Cause Keke look like them girl who pray and say, anybody will go against me, judgment for take them.
No, I can't beat him up, you know.
So life just...
Life just angling. God says I can't take no more, so deal with him. I don't really feel no way about it, you know.
Okay.
Just when Mama B did that, you know, the whole situation, because Mama B was a part of me, even though she never liked me.
Yeah.
And she fling people
Well,
on
people
me.
not like it still. Well, the big the adult them not like it for some reason at all. I don't know What going with your character, but like it not really adult friendly.
I come my plane and come straight facts my talk. I
Yeah.
come from Riverton.
Okay. Christina, do you have a favorite Mama B? Between Saloni and Rosalie?
Saloni.
Well, I agree. I agree. Nothing wrong. Like, I agree. We are going to just
Remember
cut.
that me and Rosalie didn't have any like scenes together that much. Like,
Yeah.
Kind of banana me.
So we want to touch on this now, like quickly. When them actually bring on some of these people who are not necessarily in the acting space, like it's easy for a lot of them for like transition, like where them come in, or them come in like, all right, I know this already. Or them come to Uno and be like, yo, how am I kind of do this?
Alright, sometimes some of them, majority of the times when we do some scenes we don't see each other, but when we do come and say like everybody combine, sometimes there's, you know, some of them kind of shy for say, alright, me I come in them space, me finally I see them in person. And like me and Gonzalez and Buckley, whoever down to earth person. So you can always come and say, hey, what going, you good and easy with them, and if them have a, and them can say, oh, this guy say, yeah man, I say go up.
Nice,
I normally let the director do them job and tell them what, you know?
Okay.
Otherwise, behind the scenes, you sit down and reason and we mesh.
Looking for good vibes, great food, and beer energy? Check out the latest events happening at The Cove.
No, we have to go and go talk about the Ray and Nephew contenders of like this Balla show. Like this is just like, me not see no other dynamic duo and chase since Tom and Jerry.
True.
Nina and Miss Buckley, modern day Tom and Jerry, like, honestly, like, I wonder, we need a spin-off show with the two of them. Come on, I want to know when.
You know,
like,
say.
Wait. You hear something where you know?
Them fight already, you know?
Yeah, we did see the big showdown.
Nina win.
But it's honestly surprised. You think say if we the two of them, you think Nina would have really win? But the thing say Miss Buckley. But they have it on me and say Miss Buckley. You got dust out a girl.
I feel like say if we spin the battle, you know, heads and tail and make them do another round.
Honestly,
with a bed pan.
You know, honestly, I feel like Miss Buckley. I feel like she say
the
show off.
angle
Like Miss Buckley have a vengeance. Like
Nina.
show it. Yeah, man.
Should
Like
I kill
show
Nina, you know?
it. Show it acid. Show it got different, man.
Yeah, I feel like
Miss
she
Buck-
killed Nina, she broke her neck.
May I try to understand where this come from? Like how Miss Buckley have them hatred in her heart.
Miss Buckley want to be principal. Miss Buckley want to be secretary, teacher, everybody. Miss Buckley just want to run the school. But I like her.
Free period doesn't mean that you should be outside here idling. You could, you know, do something productive. Use your time, catch up on your notes, or study Espanol.
And one thing with you know, you gotta go on like you are the principal for upkeep.
Like who hurt her? Yeah, because I know a character like Keke who that can relate to the type of bad girl energy there.
I like her.
And then she mingle with the people.
If you guys going to spread rumors, you should do it correctly and spread the right information. That is not how it goes.
So how it goes, Senorita Buckley?
Hold on. See? Hi, listen. I got it from some good sources.
I'm like, honestly, the character, me like the character, Miss Buckley, but Jesus Christ, she needs to teeth. Come here, like, how much hate you have? How much hate?
I did like her season 1, season 2, but you see when she carrying the police pan way.
Oh, yeah, man, right there, so.
Hey, she point we out in a berry?
No, man, she wicked.
See them there.
Here they are.
Gecko.
Kira, Romelo, Teddy, and Stevie.
You think you're going to have one friend like her in a real life?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, man.
Me that person now.
You have no family member like her? Yeah, they have no enemy in your life, like when you go to school and them, something like somebody where they just like have it out for you? Have you ever been in a type of situation where you have a Miss Buckley like that and you're like somebody were toe-to-toe with you?
No, sir. No, nobody toe-to-toe with me.
Oh, you can't do that because you know you're going to win.
know me, yeah, me.
So if you come down to the fight
like,
and the thing.
Me stay like Miss Buckley.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you think so if the fighting it for happen, and let's just say it was between Keke and Nina, you think so Keke?
Me that tear her down. Me that forget some a student, Berry.
What you say?
Me a tear her down, me a tear down she a
Nina
upkid's eye.
pulled the tail like how she to Miss Buckley.
You mad? And carry my sister.
Okay, I'm
And
excited.
carry my bad girl sister carry.
Oh yeah. No,
I'm a mother for you.
Remember where they go on before you know, with your
Yeah.
family. Remember
You're so she quiet enough for humble herself.
Yeah.
That's
Remember
your
your family
man.
them never they too represent, you know. Remember up at
Riverton?
the, yeah, remember up at the house, you know, them
Yeah.
they run out. So we have to...
No, man, I can't never did it now.
them
And
never-
because our sister come and bust shot. So we can't pull a gun that, you know.
Because only they get very humble, you know, because Keke, remember, you know.
No, man.
Say,
You see, them did bring me
oh.
a different something.
Oh, so when you did know and the three on the
Alright,
powers
you know,
combined.
You know, see, when I did report there, when I did it, and my sister did it.
Oh, so
Oh,
you're
she
the heart of the
humble.
group.
Yeah.
You're the Beyonce.
Of course.
Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, makes sense, Keke.
But
Makes
she
sense.
win and she bring her sister right there, and she win.
So like your car feelings we look a fight, you know, like you're vexing the
Because them should have did bring me, but
Okay.
I feel like I can't be there at school.
I've been trying to keep my composure.
Heal Keke, get over it. It's
Don't worry,
okay.
Buckley, I can beat her, mama.
It's okay. It's okay. Just relax, alright?
You see you like Nina. And Nina, you are pick side berry. You.
Because Nina reminds me of the type of teachers I had in school that I would work extra hard because I might teach her that. Nina, that's Nina. Nina come in, I just hear little roses. It's like Nina just come in and will hear, hallelujah. When Miss Buckley come in, you hear, rah, rah. Yeah, it's true.
You want to choose something?
No, honestly, I actually want to see Miss Buckley. Like, I want to have like a love in her life. Like something. Something for just throw her off and we'll see a softer side.
May I wait too?
So in the interrogation scene when the whole one now walk out now and the inspector, what's his name again?
Inspector Lawrence?
Inspector Lawrence. You know, say honestly though, you know, so I can't stand him like, you know, ooh. Something just come to me a while ago.
What?
You know me feel like say, Inspector Lawrence and Miss Buckley, if the two of them team up, you know, that is a something right there, so, you know.
Chris wouldn't miss way.
No, me I tell you, the two of them love them have a vengeance and a mission and them heart, you know.
stop.
If the two of them come together, you know, man, me I tell you, you know, that's a Romeo and that I love, you know.
Feel like two of
My
them matching up.
no. Fabian and whoever put together the show, I don't know if it's too late for make them shoot back some scenes, but Miss Buckley and Inspector Lawrence, you see it there, you know, if it happen late in the season.
I don't know.
Well, boy. They can't just see it. Inspector
You have to
Lawrence to
finish
come there
watching
and find out some little stuff, and Miss Buckley be like, yo, hey, you want to get to the bottom of this? I want to get to the bottom of you. Let's go. You get me? And the two of them, and you saw them get turned on by each other when them say, you want to sink the youth them down? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, oh God, that's so hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to bring them down, right? Yeah, me too. And it's just like, oh my God, you're speaking my love language. And you're like, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. Hate. Wow. Love. That is it. I see Miss Buckley and Inspector Lawrence. Anyway, but me never like where no, laugh after me. It's ideas. True. But personally for me, I just never like say where when Balla come up, we come on school youth still. It kind of move like a fresh.
Yeah.
So, Brian, don't get too comfortable.
Just hope say whatever happened to Ricky, that happened to you.
You just said to me?
Oh, for me someone police boy.
But then I can't understand because if him really get to stop a big man. I can't understand that kind of make him.
And him age.
Where parents normally say you start to smell yourself.
You force right.
Yeah. Because him there walk out, him say, when this is something.
Watch yourself, don't make what happen to Ricky.
Yeah. Me I like, bong, you need us if you want the youth them go away scotch free.
And that's why you don't say, that's why the man that takes that pound with
Yeah, because you can't, no, him this the man.
All the funeral the man come.
Him this the man.
We can't even mourn in peace, Berry.
No talk about mourning, because you mourning all kind of different piece. I know you talk about, if anybody where they are mourning a piece, I did you. So, but we not read stress out yet. Okay? All right. So now we're going to talk about this character that I started off liking. I did love the character, and you the spirit that trust her from beginning, I can't remember. Pumbaa. Dirty Pumbaa. Not the real girl in real life. You're okay, you're very awesome, but you see your character make me I hate you like, oh, you remember even if people used to watch Young and the Restless and we put the name Brooke. Dirty Brooke. Yeah man, it's like between Miss Buckley and Pumbaa, I did have so much hopes for you, you know.
True.
And Pumbaa.
You see, if Tessie didn't make me continue bully her, all of this would have reached her.
You know, say actually like Tessie jump in and make you come something. If it just
I should have humble herself. I just feel like say I can't Tessie pick up for her. She feel like, you know what?
Yeah. You like that for the character though, for say Pumbaa become the person who sell out like
cargo? I
cargo?
feel like broke Pumbaa neck.
Me don't love that for the character at all, but me I wonder if maybe she will come back on one side, like maybe in the season, when we start to talk like this, is how you're looking at my eye and like, give me a little eye. Okay.
I don't know, you have to finish watch it.
Like, I think because you're there, that tell me like, maybe at the end, should do something and I say, all right then, Pumbaa, you earn back with trust.
I don't know, Berry. If you truth, man. Look into my eyes.
You know, so them actors here, I think I only find them looking at your face and like,
Me not...
I never know, you know, I said, Jesus Christ. So, over Balla Entertainment, them don't give you the guidelines already. If I really the right, you saw me looking at your eye, you can't give me a little prips.
I don't know for true, Berry. If I tell you, I don't tell lie.
Turn off the camera. I'll probably look at the camera. But yeah, but don't like Pumbaa. And Dan, you's a yamhead. You's a yamhead. You have your friend them Balla from day one. I can't say this. Me no know what Pumbaa over there give you a piece of the Kuna Matana that I know. I don't know what going over there. If Pumbaa give you the Mufasa or something down there, but me no know what kind of loyalty that. Because look how long Keke did there with Balla. And Keke just make up her mind and boom, 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 and that's it.
Gone.
And left boy and just there with the competition. Keke is a the angel. Left from Bonnie and gone to Beanie.
Beanie man.
I'm just realize your character is really a the angel and showing left from one top man to the next top man. That's great.
Listen, back to Pumbaa. And back to Pumbaa. Me can't believe, out of everybody,
Yeah.
them should do Balla that.
Yeah.
Here by Dan side.
Me are the only one who know the real you, and I've accepted you for you. Dan, I love you, you know. Balla is like my brother. But he's not. He's a classmate. We should have really seen them when we didn't have the chance.
I'm gonna go to the police station. I'm gonna tell them everything will really happen.
You mad? All of this will backfire upon me, Dan. I know, so you can't go to the station, Dan, please. You can't do that. Listen, you see the way me care about you? I will burn down Hopkins High School and anybody in it just to make you not sleep at night in a jail.
I never like that for
Right
Pumbaa
now,
at all.
Tess is stronger than Dan.
Yeah.
She not militant again.
Yeah. I love that. I honestly don't love that.
I love.
Yeah.
They say that L-O-V-E, that four letter
How much
word
times in
there.
your life you love already? You ever love already? Like, me can't picture your love. Like, you love and like, budum in your heart.
I'm in love now.
Oh.
I'm in love.
So you like little message them like, oh my God, I miss you and them something. So you sound on phone when you talk, you get in love. Me can't like, you actually make yourself.
I love you.
Wait, you put both them words there?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Oh, God, see a smile there. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Okay, that's sweet. That's so sweet. Oh, you see she's different from our character.
Same like how Keke in love with Banda now.
Oh, but when you love, you like a yam out, and them something there.
No, man.
Like you're in love and you just get up and watch the things and
Like
sing,
Dan,
I will
Dan.
cross
No,
the
no, no,
ocean for you.
I can't swim, so I can't cross no ocean for nobody.
Oh, what about Bruno Mars? I will catch a grenade.
No, me afraid of that, so I not catch no
your love
grenade for nobody.
practical. Yours
course.
like my spirit take you, maybe support you when I can. It's not like you have a practical love.
If you want to put it so, but I not catch no grenade and I not swim across no ocean. And I not go for no moon or water.
What
from
about
the
there's
moon.
no me without you? Them all them line there. Like if you are not in my life, I am no one. What about them little something
You
there?
know the line that's strong. That line is a very strong line.
What about this one? I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else.
So why me don't want have bad times?
Yes,
and be unhappy than for
Love, that is love.
You see what love do Dan?
Oh, true.
Oh.
That's true. All right, so now we're going to close off with the final scene now, and this has to do with Miss Buckley and another replacement? Is another replacement?
Yes.
What name of the principal?
Principal.
Jennings. The new Principal Jennings. I don't know what Principal Jennings is going to do during the little break and come up with a whole different accent, but I am loving it because it very reminds me of Jamaican people. Them got a friend for the first time, you come up with an accent.
So wait, do you think that I invited you here in my office to thank you for that?
Yes.
I like this Jennings.
I love her.
The Jennings I look like she got out harder.
I love her.
You like her?
I work with her.
Yeah. She's a good vibe.
Yeah.
But you see that scene?
My favorite scene, you know?
Oh,
Berry.
God.
I'm a favorite scene.
Let me just start off this. one of my favorite things that I like before Balla did have the things that with the kids that I like when the kids that I interact, but you see what I like now? Are the adulting one-on-one clash them. I realize that I like my new thing now, like I love the back and forth. You know, the little throw with them in a different way. The back and you say something, the person come back. I'm loving it. And Miss Buckley, yeah man, I feel like we're in for some interesting times with you and the new Miss Jennings here.
You are mixed up. You're incompetent. You are bad mind. Huh? And all you do is just create a lot of fuss with the teachers. Right? And bring all sort of discord with the students.
Yes, if I was not criminal, you wouldn't be protecting criminals like yourself. You know, say you're not fit to be principal. You're not fit to be principal, you know, you. I'm not going to stop until we get rid of you and Nina out of this place. Oh, mark my words.
Why are you so obsessed with Nina? Are you threatened by her?
Me not afraid of no girl. I feel I know you and Nina can come kick me.
Don't you dare say it.
Hey, see that scene there? I laugh. 6 times you watch over that scene there. You know my favorite part? When Buckley get up and say, come kick, don't you dare.
Oh, you know, it reminds me of Portia. Don't you ever. Don't.
That was an excellent scene.
No, man, I forget. Round of applause for the scene there. Yeah, man.
And it went smoothly, you know, like when they're shooting it, it went
Them something when they shoot them something like a scene like that. We don't take like a 1-2 take or
No, man, you see them 2 actors there, the actress, them good. Crystal and Miss
yeah, send me alone. I remember I forget the name them. See they know we have
Gracia. Her name is Gracia.
Oh, I'm thinking
Crystal
else.
and Gracia.
Okay, yeah.
2 of them can act. They're good actors. Remember me tell you, that scene they did run smoothly. Like it did. Me no want bit extra. It did take like must say 20 minutes or 35 minutes.
Yeah.
You know them have to get different angles. Barry, me not tell a lie. Why you laugh?
Listen to your talk. Are you a one take actress?
Me? Yes, it depends on who I'm working with. Tessie?
Miss Buckley?
No.
True?
A lie?
If that is the confirmation, you're good, okay?
If we know our lines.
Well, anyway, before we come wrap up now, I'm gonna ask you, do you have a favorite scene in episode 1? Like, what would you say is your favorite scene? And who you think, yeah?
In the episode 1, my favorite scene is the interrogation.
The interrogation.
Yeah.
Favorite highlight character in first episode that you probably just say.
I have 2.
I'm here.
When my mother come in and when him that interrogate me just act like me.
Yeah.
I mean,
Sometimes I feel wonder if you don't want your voice box at night time because like every day you feel this or so.
No, I'm used to it.
You used to be a selector?
No.
Like honestly, man, you know, you have a voice, man. Like you have a voice. So it's either you can hold like stage show and them something like I'll sting, or you can load bus. One of the 2.
2 of them I can do, you know.
Oh, so let me hear say half a tree. Let me see if you actually have the talent.
1 already, half a 3.
That is a wrap. So if you don't see her in a Balla around 95, she is booked out of Papine UC campus. Well, that is it, you know. Thank you so much, Christina Harris. Just let the people them know, like before we go, just quickly, who are you, what you do, and where people can find you.
All right, I'm Christina Harris, as Barry introduced me. As you can find me on all socials, TikTok, Chrissy, 12. On Instagram, it's ITS_Christina.
You created the page when you were 12 years old?
No, I that them give me about change.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's _Christina_Harris on Instagram.
I'm going to see you in more productions and stuff, and I must just say, I forgot to give you your props. I think you are a tremendously talented young woman. I feel like you have a way where you make your character so believable that I'm sure people can't even distinguish between both, and I think that is a testament to when you know you really are represent. And my hope is that the people who are watching this right now on the Dutty Berry page to go over Balla and go support them as well, because I always feel like there's so much talent here and so much support that the creative industries need, but we just don't have the audience, the eyes them on it, because honestly, me the things that some of the people over far like no more than we down here. No. It's just that them just have the resources and the stuff them, but I feel like we always have it. I just the support. The support. All right, now me I tell you, Tyler Perry come and say, budget.
We're gone, you know?
Gone, clear.
You know, Fabian Barracks is a Jamaican Tyler Perry?
It's from there, especially his ability of how he pivoted from the theater production and just like went online.
Going back to the theater.
Brilliant. So thank you for being here. But I actually want to have you for my discussion for episode 2. And I'll be here with a next character from Balla. So stay tuned. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye. Come down to the Balla theme song. Yeah. Want me hear the Balla song I play on the bus, you know?
Open auntie and...
You want to see a rifle walking out the music video, you know?
Some belly big.
Wow. But you carry up the tights to the belly, you know?
Yo. I did that.